We are going to give you 5 tips when you come to Uruguay. If somebody offers you mate, you're not going to commit a faux pas, let's say.
First of our tips is no stirring. You receive one mate. As you can remember from the first video, the mate is the cup, but it's also the whole drink. You receive the mate and you will try not to touch the straw, the bombilla, with anything but your mouth.
This video is possible thanks to the new yerba from Terra Verde.
Some mate servers are very jealous about their mate serving, and moving the bombilla could be like some offensive thing for them. Not super offensive, but don't do it. Try to not touch the straw. That's how we know that in the previous version of Snow Society,
the film Alive.
Yeah, that film, there was no Uruguayans on set, because when you see some scenes of that film, you can see how they drink mate and they go with the straw like this. And you don't want to do that.
Here's your tea, sir. Thank you.
Turning on the seatbelt sign, Stewart. Get those kids to sit down back there.
Let's have a look at the moment of finishing the mate. Okay. You have to drink it all until the end. How do you know that you drank the whole mate? Doing something that in some places of the world would be kind of rude, because you're making
Totally
a sort of a slurp, like a really disgusting noise, let's say, that we call ruidito, which is little noise, just basically that. And with this little noise, you can make sure that there's no water left in the mate.
All right, so I'm going to do it right now to demonstrate the mate slurp or ruidito.
Very nice slurp.
Wasn't too long.
No, I think it was okay.
I was drinking now. I'm going to give it back to you.
Thank you for giving it back to me, but be really careful about saying or not saying thank you.
Oh my God, this one is a really hard one for me. As an English speaker.
Yeah, as an English speaker and as a British polite person, you get to say thank you after you receive a mate. But if you say thank you, this means that you're done with it. You are already green, as we say. When you have enough mate, you are already green, you know, because of the leaves. So you have enough mate, you say thank you, and you don't receive the next mate in the round.
Okay, so my impulse is to say thank you when I give it back, and I'm fighting myself because I want to stay in the round. I do not say thank you.
Exactly. No, do not say thank you.
Until you want to get out of the round.
Exactly.
Done.
Let's imagine that we are not only 2 people. You have to respect the round. Each one gets one mate, one each time, and you have to not get anxious. You're going to get your mate, don't worry, but it's going to get to you when it's your turn. Sometimes the server can get 2 mates when they are trying to fix something about the mate, about the flavor, but that's for another chapter.
Right, we're going to do an advanced one, right?
Yeah,
For advanced mate drinkers, we're going to do another set of tips. So this one is when you set up a mate round when there's more than 2 people, then the cebador, the server, follows the round, right? There's always serves one person, then the next person, then the next person.
Exactly. So number 5 is going to be demonstrated by our guru. We offer a mate to our guru. Karen has the mate, and sometimes, maybe, I ask you something and you start talking and you forgot the fact that you have the mate in your hand.
I do this. I am guilty of this a lot, I'm afraid.
So sometimes, as we call it here in Uruguay, you use the mate as a microphone. Don't do this. The server won't like this. And the water there might get cold. There's a lot of things against it. So once you get the mate, it's your turn. You sip your drink and then you give it back.
All right. Well, so just to finish, I'm going to do the mate slurp.
I didn't hear it. Come on, a bit louder, because if not... now we are closer.
All right, thanks. Thank you. This video is possible thanks to the new yerba from Terra Verde, 100% organic. Even my Argentine husband loves it.